Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I will teach you how to create a killer resume or CV in Canva. So guys, as you know, we are uh, recently uploading a series named Canva Graphic Designing course in which you can learn Canva from basics and different skills on Canva from which you can earn money by giving these services to freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork and etc. So go check out the playlist. So in today's video I will teach you about CV, making CV. So let's get started and go to Canva. This is Canva home. So I search the template, I write their resume and it will provide me different results. So I click on resume. So this it will show us different resume or CV templates. We can select the template which is attractive or killer. So we can select this one. So I click on this and click on this customize this template button and it will appear in the next window. So it is uploading. Let's wait for seconds. So my internet is slow, that's why it takes some time. So that's it. I will make a dummy CV. First of all, we have to change the photo. Click on this icon and click on delete. Delete image, not frame. If you delete frame, then the frame is off, gone. So Control Z for undo. Click this delete button and I download a photo, dummy photo for this purpose. So I drag this photo there. The photo is uploading. This photo is also, I click this photo and drag it there. So the photo is placed. So after that I change the name. I write there a dummy name Olivia Parks. After that I write profession graphic designer. So you just have to change these template according to your skills, your professional career experience, etc. achievements. So here about me, here you can write about yourself, like you are dedicated, motivated and skillful person, etc, etc. After that professional experience, write about your professional experience there. I zoom this for the clear view and after that write about your achievements there, your hard skills, your soft skills, your education background, your contact info. You just have to click on this for editing and write whatever you want to write. So I press Ctrl Z for undo. So that's it. This is a one-page CV which is used nowadays. But if you want to create, you have more information, you want to create multiple page CV, then click on this duplicate button and it will duplicate the same page like this. I zoom out for the clear view. So this is the first page, this is the second page. Now I will tell you how to edit the second page. First you have to remove the frame. Press delete button and the frame will remove, and you have to delete this because we write name and profession up there. So that's it. If you want to add more section, then just edit, like I I want to write about my recent company in which I work on. Recent company. So that's it. The section is added. Here I can write whatever I want to write about my recent company. Sorry. So that's it. If you want to add many section, you want if you want to add more section, then more page, then duplicate. Click on duplicate page, and it will duplicate this page, and you add whatever you want to add. So that's it for today. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel, share it with your friends, and do check out the Canva graphic design playlist. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.